Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you considered using videos in your presentations but are worried that distracting watermarks might ruin their look? An AI tool can easily fix that for you. In this video, I set out to find a simple yet powerful video editing tool, and I truly believe I've found one of the best. It's something you might want to check out too. Let's go. Right now, this particular software has become my favorite for its convenience and comprehensive features. It handles video and image enhancements, conversion, and compression, eliminating the need for separate editors. What makes it stand out even more is its ability to add or remove watermarks using AI. If you would like to try it, you can use the link below to download the software and receive a free trial for your first use, which will allow you to experience all of the features. Once the program is installed on your computer, select the Watermark Remover feature from the main dashboard and upload your video. Click the Select Area button in the top left and drag the editor over the watermark. You can adjust the corners until the watermark is perfectly enclosed. Remember, you can remove up to 5 watermarks per video. If you need to highlight a different section and have run out of slots, click the X to free one up. After highlighting the watermarks, you can choose one of 3 models: Standard, Basic AI, or Quality AI. I recommend the Quality AI model, but you can explore all 3 to see what works best for your video. The selected areas are instantly removed by the AI, so you only need to click the Preview button to review the output before saving it. When you're satisfied with the results, click the Export button to save the final video to the default destination folder. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.